After stopping birth control pills, the time it takes to regain fertility varies from person to person. For many women, ovulation and the ability to conceive typically return within 1 to 3 months after discontinuing the medication. However, this time frame isn't universal. Some may experience an immediate return to fertility, while others might take longer, sometimes up to a year or more. Several factors influence this process, including individual physiology, the duration of contraceptive use, and how quickly the body rebalances its hormonal levels. Hormonal contraceptives work by suppressing ovulation, and once discontinued, the body needs time to resume its natural cycle. Younger women or those who use the pill for a shorter period may notice a quicker return to fertility, whereas those who took it for many years or have underlying hormonal imbalances might experience delays. Additionally, lifestyle factors like stress, weight fluctuations, or pre-existing conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) can further impact the timeline. The return of regular menstruation is often the first sign that fertility is restoring, but ovulation can occur even before the first period post-pill. Tracking menstrual cycles and observing physical cues, such as cervical mucus changes, can provide early indications of fertility. Patience and awareness of one's body are key during this transition period. Despite the general trends, there's no guaranteed timeline for everyone. If concerns arise, keeping a record of menstrual cycles and consulting a healthcare provider can offer reassurance and guidance. Understanding these variations helps manage expectations and supports informed family planning decisions. After stopping hormonal birth control, your body may take some time to re-establish its natural menstrual cycle as hormone levels readjust. This transition period varies for each individual, but tracking ovulation can provide valuable insights into your returning fertility. Using ovulation predictor kits (OPs) can help detect the luteinizing hormone LA surge that occurs 24-36 hours before ovulation, while the basal body temperature BBT's method involves taking your temperature each morning to identify the slight rise that follows ovulation. Maintaining a chart of these observations for several months can reveal patterns in your cycle. Additionally, adopting healthy lifestyle habits supports hormonal balance and reproductive health. Focus on a nutrient-rich diet with adequate iron, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for reproductive function. Moderate, regular exercise improves circulation and reduces stress, but excessive intense workouts may temporarily disrupt cycles. Prioritizing sleep and managing stress through techniques like yoga or meditation can further encourage hormonal equilibrium. Avoiding tobacco, excessive alcohol, and maintaining a healthy weight also contribute to optimal fertility. These combined approaches help create the best conditions for your body to resume its natural reproductive rhythm. If you have stopped taking birth control pills, but have not been able to conceive after 6 months, it may be time to seek professional medical advice. While many women regain fertility within a few months of discontinuing contraception, individual factors such as age, underlying health conditions, or hormonal imbalances can affect this process. A gynecologist or fertility specialist can conduct a thorough evaluation to identify any potential issues. Initial assessments may include hormone level testing to check for imbalances in estrogen, progesterone, or thyroid function, which could interfere with ovulation. Ultrasound scans may also be performed to examine the ovaries, uterus, and fallopian tubes for structural abnormalities. Depending on the findings, additional tests such as semen analysis for male partners or further imaging studies might be recommended. Early intervention can address problems like polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS), endometriosis, or ovulation disorders. If no clear issues are found, doctors may suggest lifestyle adjustments or fertility treatments, such as medication to stimulate ovulation. The goal is to provide personalized guidance and support for those hoping to conceive.